Have you ever been to a symphony? At first, when the orchestra is warming up, it sounds like chaos and confusion and just noise. You hear some instruments individually, but it's mostly all just a jumbled sound. It isn't until the music, the actual score, is placed in front of the musicians that order is brought. Musicians then know what to play. They are instructed and given the information necessary to make music. The conductor plays a very important role in this process. It's the conductor who orchestrates the musicians and the music. He helps the musicians know when to play, how to play, and when to rest. Because of him, beauty is created.
How does this relate to the immune system and transfer factor? Well, the musicians are like the immune cells. They all have a specific role and function. They are all working toward the same end, but sometimes their efforts are chaotic and confusing. The musical score is like transfer factor. When you introduce transfer factor to the body, it educates the immune cells to know what they should be doing. They now have the information to work together and make sense of their roles. The conductor is like nanofactor. Nanofactor helps immune cells know when to act, how to act, and when to rest. Just like the conductor tells certain instruments when to play loudly, and when to just stop playing. Together, transfer factor and nanofactor create beauty and harmony within the immune system.